How to add payment method in LinkedIn Learning. So in LinkedIn Earning, just go ahead to the accounts over here or your profile, of course. So in your profile, you'll be able to see your settings. So just go ahead and press on that. Inside your settings, you should be able to find your account type. And this side, you'll see the manage sections. That's where you can add your payment method. Once you press on that, you'll be able to see the manage subscription. So that's where you can control where your payment methods are. So press on that one and press on the manage payment methods. So once you get to there, as you can see, you'll be able to see whichever payment method you already did put in. You could either edit that over here or get rid of that so that you can add a new payment method or whichever you want to do. But that's pretty much how you can add a payment method in LinkedIn Learning. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.